It's travel day. Y'all, so we are behind schedule. The estimated time that I wanted to leave was like 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. I woke up at 5:30 and I had an excruciating headache. Y'all already know, if you know me, if things like waking up late or waking up with a headache or anything like that like deters my estimated start time that I, set for myself, it means the Lord is saving me from something, okay? So we leave at God's timing, and God's timing says 7 o'clock when the sun is coming out, we can see properly, and we're gonna hit the road. We may not get a lot of time at Blizzard Beach, but hopefully we get some time at Blizzard Beach to experience it, because at the end of the day it was free, so it's not necessary we be there from open to close like we would if we paid for it. So we're gonna hit the road. We're gonna pick up our scooters mobile order and get this show started. All right, y'all, as y'all know, the tradition has changed. We no longer do Dunkin'. We do scooters. Y'all, love me some scooters. Hits every time. Like, because we come to scooters, we know our day is going to be perfect because it hits every time. I don't think I've ever had a bad iced coffee from scooters. Like, I don't even know. And we also got the waffle sausage maple waffle sandwich. So that will be our breakfast. We're going to stop for gas. And then we're hitting the road to Disney, y'all. I'll see y'all Georgia. Y'all already know. We got to go see our boo. So we made it to our very first stop, which is the Georgia Welcome Center. We gotta go see our boo Forrest, take a potty break. But it is a beautiful day once we got out of the fog and like the sun fully came out. So far pretty decent drive. It's always pretty decent drive. So yeah, we're not gonna stay here too long because we're in a rush, but not really in a rush, but we don't want to spend too much time at these rest areas. We gotta get to where we're going so we can take advantage of our free water park day. That is the priority when we get in. So let's go in here. I'm going to show you guys this rest area because it is one of my favorites. All right, the Georgia Welcome Center. Such a fun, cute welcome center. Such a good place to stop with kids because there's like all of these like informational booths and they're based on the areas in Georgia. Super cute. Love this little thing here. It's a great place to take a little picture. Super cute. They have this really cool setup back here. Y'all, cypress knees. Learned about these in middle school. And then this guy, oh look, it's babies. It still looks pretty creepy. I don't know, y'all. Is this real? Is this stuffed? Is it fake? I think it's fake. I'm a little weirded out though. But look at it, is that really how they do it? Like, they ride on their back? I don't know, but super cute. And here is the star of the show, who I come to see every trip. Super cute. We love a good forest moment. Love it. All right, y'all, so I just left the Georgia welcome center, and I feel kind of like weird because I'm not prioritizing TikTok this trip. So we didn't get any TikTok B-roll. We just got the clips that you guys just saw for YouTube, and we're heading back to the car. Trying not to get run over, but heading back to the car to head to Florida. So here we go. All right, y'all, we have made it to the Florida Welcome Center. I don't think you can see the sign behind me. We'll go look at it in a second. So that means we are probably 3.5-ish hours away. So we're gonna go in, get our free OJ. We actually do orange juice and grapefruit juice mixed now, just a little bit of both, and take a little potty break, and then we will be back on the road. All right, we are here at our second favorite rest stop, Central Florida. We're gonna grab some of this good stuff. Oops, dropped that one. Disney. All right, y'all. I usually get half and half, but she gave me one of each, so we're gonna rock with it. Orange. Cheers to my daddy. He loved grapefruit juice. I did not love grapefruit juice, but cheers to my daddy. Alright, y'all, so we made it to Florida. Love this little like photo little thing here. It looks like the big welcome sign. It's super cute, and we're here for it. So off to Disney. Alright, so we have made it to Buc-Buc-Buc-ee's. I've been back and forth whether I was going to stop or not, but we decided to stop. I need some water, I need some ice. We're going to go in and see what the t-shirts look like for St. Patrick's Day and for Easter, and then this is going to be a quick stop, just as fast as possible, in and out. So let's head on in. Okay, so just like the other ones, it's not that much different than the one that I am currently wearing as we speak. What does the back say? Okay, it says, who needs luck with all this charm? Ooh, maybe a scrunchie instead. That's super cute. $6 for a scrunchie. Ooh, or a headband. Y'all know I'm a sucker for a good little headband. But I don't think I'm going to get the shirt this year. It's literally very close to what I'm currently wearing. I don't know what the back of mine says, but yeah, I think we're gonna pass. And I'm not a fan of their cups or anything like that, so we're definitely not snagging a cup. So this is the shirt for Easter. It's hilarious. I absolutely love it. So we may be snagging this one on the way home. We love that. All right, y'all. Now all I'm gonna say is yes. Assistant food service manager, general, ooh, gift and car wash manager. I'm here for it. All right, y'all. So again, we've stopped at Buc-ee's. I got some ice so that we could put water. Look at TT in our water bottle. So the cheapest Buc-ee run ever. We'll save a little bit for eating. And we'll get some water in our system. I'm about to lose my ice. About to lose our little bit of eating ice. Much needed. Y'all, I'm tired of driving. I'm tired of driving. I'm ready to be there. I think we're like 2 hours out. So let's get on this road. I'm gonna let this water kind of get in my system and get a few more sips in, and then we're gonna hit the road because we only have 2 hours left. The last stretch. Oh, and I gotta get gas. I'll get gas. Hey y'all. So we gotta catch up. We'll catch up after the night is over, but we are dressed. Let me do a little OOTD. It's been a crazy day, but we're gonna go get some food. I'm so excited. We're gonna go get some food. We'll show you a little OOTD. So OOTD will be better later in the week. Just a quick shirt that I made. We got beanie ears because we're going to Port Orleans. But yeah, we're gonna go listen to some jazz and eat some beignets and some wings. We're not gonna give you guys a room tour. Only reason why I'm not doing a room tour is because I've done a very in-depth room tour. I'll link it in the cards up here. I believe I also did a resort tour. Link it in the cards up here. Go back, watch that video. Give me some love on that video. The room is the room, okay? It's just, everything is here. It's a room. You know, yeah, it's the same thing. I'm a creature of habits. I stay in the same room type. You know, whatever. We are in the Toy Story area. I think last time we might have been near Love Bug. But movies. Movies is my resort, okay? So yeah, we're going to hit a bus because we got to do a little bit of bus hopping. I do not feel like driving to Port Orleans, so I'm going to hop on the bus to either Springs or a park, whichever comes first, and then we will from there hop on a bus to Port Orleans. So let's get this adventure rolling. Did I show y'all this? If you didn't know, you can ask for them to do like happy birthday whoever. So make sure your next like visit, if it's somebody's birthday, instead of saying like welcome Brown family, they can do happy birthday. I love it, y'all. Buzz is massive. I'm usually over by Woody, but this go round, we're near the big guy. And look at T-Rex and Bo Peep, but we've got to look at the guy. The guy. Alright y'all, so we're on the bus. Our little trek means that we leave. Because you can't take a bus from a resort to a resort, we have to take the bus from a resort to a park, which we did to Hollywood Studios. As soon as we got off the bus at Hollywood Studios, right across the little walkway is the bus to Port Orleans. So we're now on the bus to Port Orleans, and we should be there in no time. I'm so ready for some beignets. Hey y'all. It is the end of the night. Day one. Not even day one. This is travel day. This is not day one. It doesn't count as an actual day. I went to Port Orleans and got dinner with one of my TikTok friends, Ashay. Shout out to her. And she got me a really cute birthday gift. Like, so many goodies. I don't know. Maybe I'll do like, I'll include it in like a haul, like a separate video, because I really don't feel like filming a haul for y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Do I feel like filming a haul for y'all? No, I'm sorry. I don't. But yeah. What else? Oh, I was gonna get back to earlier today. So when we got in, y'all, it was like drop my stuff and run. I pretty much brought my bathing suit in my room, changed, and booked it to Blizzard Beach, which was about 5 minutes away. It was a 5-minute drive. So I booked it over there, got to Blizzard Beach right at 5 o'clock, walked right in, and they closed at 6. So I only got an hour of Blizzard Beach time, but I'm not too mad about it because I prefer Typhoon Lagoon over Blizzard Beach any day. The wave pool is better at Typhoon Lagoon. The lazy river is better at Typhoon Lagoon. So right now I think they're in the season of Blizzard Beach. Typhoon Lagoon is closed for refurb. So I think next year they usually flip-flop. So next year it'll be Blizzard Beach closed and Typhoon Lagoon open. So honestly, I will not be water parking it unless Typhoon Lagoon is open, because that is my water park. I just... y'all can have Blizzard Beach. That's not for me. That's just it wasn't it for me. So I'm glad I got to experience it for free, because right now until December 31st, you're allowed a free entry to the water park only on the day that you come in. So it's only on the day that you arrive. So I had to book it over there because we got in here at, I think, right at 4, so a little after 4. So I was able to check in, get to my room by like 4:30, change, and book it over to Blizzard Beach. So we got that done. And then we came back here to shower and get dressed to go to Port Orleans. And then I went and met up with Ashe. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're back here in the room. Oh, I think I showed y'all my outfit earlier before I left. But I'm tired. I'm about to put on some PJs, put on some Bluey. If you know, you know. And we're about to call it a night. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock, 10:54. So that's not bad for day one. Or not day one, travel day. It's good for travel day. I don't think we have anything else to talk about here. I'll do this because I don't think I let y'all hear the goodness, because I'm about to change the channel, and when I do, are we not in focus? Like, what's going on here? I just want y'all to hear the ambiance. Brendan, me. I also need to do my nails because they look busted. So nails need to get on tonight. I did bring press-on toenails, but I don't think I'm doing any more water park stuff. The pool is down for refurb, so I don't think I'm doing any more pool stuff. So I might not put those on, but we're definitely getting these done. So that's it. Listen to the ambiance. Ah! Resort TV is the best. I think that's it. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Look. And I'll see you in the next one.